In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight on DocHub. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your document, and from here up top, you have this highlight tool, okay? So it says highlight. If it's not selected right now, make sure you click on this arrow down button and click on highlight, or just press H on your keyboard. Now, over here, you have the option to actually select your selection mode. So you have either the box or text. So I'm going to use the box right now, and I'm going to click on highlight color, and I'm actually going to change this into like blue, and then I can click on save, and I can just draw rectangles wherever I want to do my highlight. So for example, over here, I'm just going to draw a rectangle around like this using my left mouse click, and there we go. As you can see, this part has now been highlighted. So of course you could go and switch the text as well, and you can again change the color to whatever you want. You could go and just hover over any text, and it's basically going to highlight that text for you as well. Okay, so that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.